Hey, you mailing list people, my name is Gary, I'm not a bartender, and welcome to Casually Drinking. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at our first video game cocktail called Crimson Cerulean Tears from the game of Elden Ring. It's a red and blue flask that powers up your health and also your mana. If you ever wanted to feel like an Elden Lord, then this is the drink for you. As always, give a like and subscribe if you're new. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon to see notifications on when I upload. And now that that's out of the way, let's get right to the ingredients. The first thing you're going to need for the Crimson Tear is cranberry juice, your choice of vodka, and a red carbonated soda. I'm using Hawaiian Punch, and I know it's not carbonated, but that's the only thing I had. Lime. For the Cerulean Tears, you're going to use any type of blue lemonade, your choice of gin, blue Curacao, Sprite, lemon, luster and glitter dust for both flasks. And I also got myself these flask bottles from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description where to get them. But yeah, I got these cool little potion bottles. Now that we know our ingredients, let's get right to mixing. And there you have it, folks, the Crimson Cerulean Tears from Elden Ring. I really like the color of the red and blue, and to me it kind of looks like buzzballs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you're new. It would mean so much to me if you guys subscribed. Comment what drink you'd like to see me make, because I'm always down to try anything new. So yeah, that's about it. As always, guys, later.